Hi all. So in this topic, let's see discuss about green tea and instant tea. So we had already seen about processing of tea. Now coming to the green tea and instant tea, we all know like green tea is like fermentation is being completely removed process is the green tea manufacturing, and here quality of tea is mainly based on the endogenous compounds of the leaf at the time of plucking operation. There are two types of process, the sencha process and the Kamairacha process. So here the enzymatic activity in the leaves is inhibited by heating as soon as possible, like after plucking operation. And the sencha process is where the unshaded plant leaves have been used for the manufacturing of green tea. So first the fresh leaves have been steamed for 40 to 60 seconds before drying and then curled in cut tear and curl machine for nearly 40 to 50 minutes. 75 to 50% of the moisture content is being obtained. Again it is made to roll for 15 minutes without any heat and pass through the dryer. So again what happens is due to the maintenance of the temperature from 50 to 60 and for 30 to 40, the MC will be reduced to 30% from 50 to 30. Again it is being rolled before drying by direct heat at 80 to 90 and to 40 minutes. What happens is the moisture content reduces to 6% gradually. The Kamairacha, that is the pan frying process, is nothing but is a second process. Production of Chinese green tea is being practiced by the use of Kamairacha process, where it is being heated in a pan at 250 to 300 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. Slow agitation required to prevent the burning process of the leaf. And pan fried leaves have been passed to a roller, then processed without heat for nearly 10 to 15 minutes before drying in a pan at 100 to 150 degrees Celsius. End products will be small pellets, that is ganti, chunmi and the saumi. So fine twisted type of powders are obtained. And pan fried will be like flat polished leaves, pale white in color. So this is the flow chart of the green tea process, where fresh leaves are being steamed, primary rolling or drying is being done, then secondary rolling and the final rolling and then drying and then blending, storage and blending or packaging of the leaves. So oolong or the red tea, this is like, as we already seen in the types of tea, this is like a semi fermented form of tea, where their appearance and the chemical composition is somewhat intermediate between that of green tea and the black tea. It is mainly manufactured in the People's Republic of the China and in Taiwan. Production process of this oolong or the red tea is withering, 30 to 60 minutes depending on the ambient temperature. Indoor withering 6 to 8 hours for oolong tea, and during indoor withering the leaves have been manually agitated, and withered leaves are pan fried at 250 to 300 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. Pan frying inactivates the enzymes present and will start with the biochemical changes. Some process are as pan drying green tea. So outdoor withering to indoor withering and hand rolling, pan frying, drying and the packaging are the basic operations for this green tea and the oolong tea. So coming to the instant tea. Instant tea, it was been uh, found out in the late 19th century only. It can be made from fully processed black or semi fermented or the green dried tea leaves, and the process varies. Sometimes it is specific with one manufacturer. So here also rolling or the tea disruption takes place, where extraction is required for extracting in high total yield of tea solids and concentrated extract. And here a tube with a spiral conveying blade is being used. Tea leaves enter at the lower end and conveyed upward through a falling stream of hot water, which will pass through the holes in the spiral blade. A two-stage extraction systems, the first extraction at 15 to 50 degrees Celsius followed by 50 to 100 degrees Celsius extraction. After this extraction, clarification is done, then centrifugation or filtration also can be adopted. Then aroma stripping, then tea cream processing is being done. Aroma stripping is nothing but aroma alone is stripped separately and extracted, passing the stripping gas through the extract of spraying extract into a stream of gas. gas that they use is a nitrogen or a steam is being used. So then tea cream processing, on cooling, this tea solution becomes opaque and lightens in color due to the formation of the tea cream. This is mainly separated by cooling followed by precipitation or centrifugation method. Other method temperature should be above 65 degrees Celsius. Then concentration is mainly done before the drying process. So here solid concentration is the most commonly adopted. So concentration is the thermal evaporation is been commonly used method here, where falling film or the plate type evaporators have been used for concentration of the tea. And drying, spray drying is maximum adopted for this process of instant tea, and additional ingredients can be added like lemon flavoring, acidulants, antioxidants, whitener, etc. to make the powder more free of flow. And health benefits of this instant tea is reduction risk of type 2 diabetes, reduces stress, anti-aging, and it does not cause acidity, reduces the incidence of dental cavities, protects against osteoporosis in older women, and also reduce the risk of heart problems. Also with the reduce the incidence of Parkinson's disease, and the main thing, it is an immune defense. Adverse effects, it's like more consumption leads to like since the caffeine that is content in the tea will be ingested along with the food, inhibits absorption of inorganic and some forms of organic iron, so iron deficiency may happen if more consumption is done. So thank you. This is about green tea and instant tea processing.